Oh, hey everybody. How's it going? How's your Saturday going? I hope it's going good. I'm just running around, running a few errands, getting some stuff done, but I wanted to make sure that I get to come on live with you guys and share some information. Now you see the title of this live is called Special Offer. And if you've been watching my reels, you know that we have a special offer going this week where we are offering you spots in our rotator. So we have a team rotator that we'll get you put into once you get signed up. And depending on what level you come in, you can get from 1 to normally 10 spots in our rotator. But right now, through tomorrow, we're offering 20 spots in the rotator for the upper levels, okay? So that's the international, the global level, or the highest level in the USA, the EBM level. We're offering 20 spots in our team rotator. And we're gonna leave you there until you make at least one sale. So you're gonna get at least one sale if you get started with me before tomorrow night. So jump in. This is the point of this is to just jumpstart things for you guys. As a brand new member, this is your opportunity to get rolling right away, to get momentum going in your favor. So this is a chance for you to get a guaranteed sale and perhaps more sales. And then you can, get yourself set up and get started making sales on your own. But why not hit the ground running? We're offering this right now just to kind of jumpstart things for you guys. So I wanted to be able to share that with you. The lighting just got bad. Let's go over here, closer to the window. So anyway, and also I wanted to share with you, we have a special offer going with MyEcon. So it's all about special offers today. This MyEcon special offer is going to run through the summertime though, and it's for global sales. So I'm really looking to bring on some global leaders, some people who are outside the United States that want to be a leader with me on my team and who want to make some really cool extra cash. There's the opportunity for you to be earning up to 95% commissions based on how many people you can bring in about a 6-month period, just a little less than that. So I'd love to share that information with you guys. I'd love to talk to you one-on-one. If you are outside the United States, let's talk, let's chat so we can get you guys set up and we can start promoting that in other countries and start making those almost 95% commissions. Now it works for you if you're in the United States too. You can promote this in over 150 countries for the global membership, and you can be earning the same thing, the 95% commission. So if you're inside the United States, you're not excluded from this. Let's get you going too, so you can start earning that extra commission. We normally offer a 70% commission, and it's gonna go up to almost 95% based on how many people we bring in globally over the next few months. So that's an awesome thing. What other company is offering that? None, right? None. Just us. I wanted to share that with you. This is a wonderful time for you to get started. Come in, get started. We'll work on the rest of it once you get started. I want to have a conversation with you. I want to be there and work alongside you in the trenches. I want to get you going. I want to get you making some real money online. Not just learning how to make money or hoping to make money. Let's get you actually making some money. Get your commissions paid every Friday. So I'm excited to get to work with you, and I'll be putting out some extra videos. You want to go to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be having some informational videos there, and I'll put that link here as well so you guys can go there. But I'm excited, and I hope you're excited. Come join me. Get started. Let's start you at any level. We can work on it from there. So go ahead and reach out to me. Send me a DM. Text me, number below, and I'll see you guys soon.